Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Well, the Fed last week came out and made a statement suggesting that they're going to be guided by a lot of the data or the data that's coming out that may affect this US economy. Okay, so this week, the two things I'm looking for, it's a pretty quiet week, but I'm looking at tomorrow night Sydney time. We've got inflation, CPI data coming out from the US. And then Friday, we've got PPI, the producer price index, which could feed into the consumer price if they need to put their prices up or prices are rising on the PPI. Okay, so these are the two elements, tomorrow night and Friday night. Okay, so what they're suggesting though on tomorrow night, the CPI, it's going to go up from last month at 0.1% up to 0.4, a big increase, suggesting that inflation or CPI isn't going away as quickly as the Fed would have liked. Okay, so that to me is a key level. And then Friday night we'll get another indication on whether they've got this inflation under control. Okay, but the elements I'm looking at right now, as I have been over the last few months and especially over the last few weeks, is this US dollar index. Okay, this great wall of support, I've been calling it. So it's down around 100 on the DXY at 0.80. Now, each time we've had that tested over the last couple of months and especially over the last few weeks, it's held. So we are seeing some strength coming into this US dollar down at this major level of support. Now, to the fact that we've seen some higher tops pop off this level as well. So what does that mean? Well, that means that down at this major support level on the US dollar, that is starting to become price-wise attractive. And as price action goes, it's holding. So when I look at things like the 10-year yield, the other element is we've seen a triple bottom form down around this 3.38 level on the 10-year yield, okay? To the point where right now it's up at that nice, comfortable 3.5% on the 10-year yield. That, folks, could be the thing that's actually assisting some strength or making this US dollar look more attractive. So trading ideas, what are we going to look at? Well, I'm looking at this euro against the US dollar. I've spoken about this over the last few weeks, saying the daily trend is slightly up, but we are in this sideways pattern. So the difference is, which was pointed out by our own senior market strategist, Duncan Cooper, okay, who's made a technical video. The link will be in the description below. So what we're finding on this daily level on the euro against US dollar, up around this 110.70 level, okay? A triple top has formed. Now, is that triple top going to provide a reversal up here? As I mentioned, the dollar index is down at a major level of support. So this could provide some interesting trading opportunities. And what I'm really looking at is this 109.70. So you got 110 to the 70 level and this 109.70 level. We're in this sideways range. So if we get a close and a break below that 109.70 level, we could be seeing the beginning of a reversal and some strength coming in to this US dollar. So tomorrow night on the CPI will be the first thing that I'll be watching, and I'll also be looking at the PPI on Friday. Have yourself a great trading week, everybody.